Okay, we're just about ready to take this off. This is the last screw. I have not seen in here yet. Okay, I'm still gonna try to take this off carefully. There, get that. Okay, now to figure out how to get that out of there, I guess I can lift it up this direction. And ooh, I've never really checked out an air conditioner on the inside before because, like I said, I am not an air conditioning type person. Now, but we can look at it, can't we? Before we pay $200 to have somebody come out here to check it all out, to see why it's dripping, where it's leaking from, and see all of this stuff. I believe all of this is under pressure by your Freon lines and whatever else they pump into here. So I don't think the water that's dripping, I think it's just dripping out of the pan down here. And so it looks like there's like a foam, not foam, but it's kind of gritty, and that's probably like a filter, okay? A wet type filter. It looks like I'm gonna have to lift out of there. And let's see if I can do that. We'll keep the camera rolling. Okay, I think you can see that. Let's see. I'm going to see, I can't lift that up over that lip, and it's got a plastic grate, and it's got this piece that somebody hokeyed together here, looks like, and I should be able to pull that out like this. Now see, I thought it was going to have a pan here. Boy. It seemed to be dripping right out of that, and I thought there was going to be a pan down there, and there is no pan, but that's where the drip was. I'm not sure. I may have to pull this cover off up here. There might be a pan up there, but see, this is where the condensate collection goes right here, and it looks like that's in an area that catches in a little slot here, and then the water comes out there, but it was actually dripping over here. Not liking that. Not liking that at all. Okay, so I think maybe what I should do is pull this cover off and just check up there and see what we got going there. Hey, it's just another 4 screws, right? Let's take that off. See this cover here? This whole panel here, I'm going to take that off. There's 4 screws. 2 there, 1 there, 1 up there. Let's do it. Okay, well we took the top cover off, and there's a fan blower thing in there, and see, this is all the electrical wires up there, and it doesn't look like it would be dripping water from there. It's probably coming from here somehow and either squirting down or something. And another thought was, if this condensate line gets plugged up at all inside of here, and I don't really want to pull that apart because this is pushed into there, these are under pressure, and you'd have to cut that, pull that apart. But an air conditioning company might say, hey, your condensate line could be plugged up. They may have to cut this right here, and then they put a blower thing in here and try to flush that out, and sometimes it could be difficult to do that. And see, if that's plugged up, it could be causing something to spray up and then drip over here in the right hand corner. We're going to turn this back on now, and we're going to see where this drips, but chances are I'm not going to be able to fix it, but at least I've got a little bit better understanding of it to know that, okay, I guess we better call somebody, and we could leave it just like this, or I think I'll put the covers back on after I find out where it's dripping, let's say, so the next person comes, they'll have to take those screws back out. I don't think I want to leave it in this condition and keep running the air conditioner, okay? But at least there's a few things you can check out yourself, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn the breakers back on, I'm going to turn the air conditioner on, and we're going to see where it drips once and for all.